The next step is to edit, and this is going to be, or it could be, the first scary step. On the world page, click Edit to launch the editor. Well, wait till you see what happens when we launch the editor. We actually get the program code. So isn't that terrifying? If you've never seen a program before, even if you program but you haven't seen JavaScript before, this could be a little bit scary. So let's ignore the code for a minute and we'll look at the easy stuff. The easy stuff is changing the title. So if I change the title to My Wonderful World or something like that, and I can change the description, and I change the description to I have no idea what I am doing. And then we press save. So if I take a look now at the home page for the world and I just reload, it's now called My Wonderful World and it's got a new description line. And if you search for it in the search bar, and I search for wonderful or even wonder or whatever, it's quite a fuzzy search. There's two wonderful worlds, it seems, but there's My Wonderful World that I've just been making a minute ago.